Wishing you all to be good and doing well in your study. In this session, we will understand find the radius of the circle whose diameter is given and find the diameter of the circle whose radius is given. Before starting to solve the question, we will understand relation between the radius and diameter of a circle. Radius is half the diameter. Radius is half the diameter and diameter is twice the radius. Okay, आपकी diameter जो होती है वो radius की दुगनी होती है और radius आपका diameter का आधा होता है. Okay, you will better understand with the example. I want to show you example. You have seen here that a circle with the center O. Okay, and two radius are here. First one is OM and second one is ON. So this is two radius. One radius and other radius. It will be equal to MN, which is diameter of the circle. Which is diameter of the circle. That means diameter is 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is 2 multiplied by radius. दो रेडियस मिलके आपकी डायमीटर बना रही हैं OM प्लस ON और आपका डायमीटर क्या है? यस, दिस इज MN. ओके, नाउ रेडियस क्या है आपकी? यस, रेडियस इज ऑलवेज हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. ओके, आपका रेडियस सपोज दैट दिस इज OM इज ऑलवेज हाफ MN का आधा, half of the diameter. Now let's move on question. Exercise 9.4 is going on. Okay, so we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 9.4. This is find the diameter of the circle whose radius is given. Okay, so suppose that this is a circle and the diameter is find the diameter. Radius is 12 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter. Now we already read that diameter is 2 multiplied by radius. Radius is 12 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 12, which is equal to 24. Which is equal to 24. That means the diameter of the circle is 24 centimeter. Now move on next question. Now find the radius of the circle whose diameter is given. In this question diameter is given. Okay, और find out क्या करना है? Radius. So here this is diameter. Okay, diameter is a line segment. Okay, passing through the center. Okay, so this is diameter. So radius is, we already understand this, half multiplied by diameter. So 40 divided by 2. Okay, that means this is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, 40 का आधा क्या हुआ? 20 centimeter. That means the radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. Okay, the radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. Now one more example I want to show you. This is based on the parts of the circle. We already understood in our previous video what is circle, what is center of the circle, what is diameter, chord, radius. So this is based on all this topic. So the question number 1, the center of the circle. Yes, this is center of the circle because every circle has a center. This is fixed point and every point on the circle is equidistant to the center. Okay, so O is center of the circle. Now move on diameter. Diameter क्या है? Diameter आपका the line segment passing through the सेंटर. अब सेंटर से पास करती हुई लाइंस कौन सी हैं आपकी? यस, दिस इज A, B and E, F. AB and EF. So the diameter is AB and EF. Okay, EF. This is the diameter of the circle. Now move on. Radii. What is radii? If one radius is, that is radius, and then more than one radius is called radii. The radii is the plural form of the radius. So radius is the line segment which is from the center to सर्कल. सेंटर से सर्कल तक की लाइन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेडियस बोलते हैं. सो आपका सेंटर ओ से कौन कौन सी लाइन है? यस, दिस इज ओ ए. नेक्स्ट वन आपका ओ बी. नेक्स्ट वन आपका आपका हो गया ओ ए, ओ बी. ठीक है, और कौन सा है? यस, ओके. And yes, that one OF, and one more is, which one is? OE. ओके, जो लाइंस आपकी सेंटर से सर्कल तक की हैं वे सारी आपकी रेडी कहलाती हैं. ठीक है, द इक्वी डिस्टेंस टू द सेंटर टू द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड रेडी. ठीक है. नाउ मूव ऑन. कोड ऑफ द सर्कल. अदर देन द डायमीटर. The question is other than the diameter, because you very well know the diameter is, all the diameters is called chord. सारे diameter जो होते हैं वो chord होते हैं. Okay, but chord are not diameter. Every diameter is a chord. So यहाँ पे लिखा गया other than, मतलब diameter को count नहीं करना है, only chord बताने हैं. तो chord, what is chord? Chord is the line segment lie on the circumference of the सर्कल. सर्कमफेरेंस आपके क्या, इस पे कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? ये, दिस इज कोड. GH इज कोड. दिस इज नॉट पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर. ये लाइन सेगमेंट होता है लेकिन आपका सेंटर से पार नहीं जाता है. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज AD. ओके, दिस इज अ कोड ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, अब यहाँ पे ये अगर ना लिखा होता आपका दिस, ओके, अगर आपका ये ना होता other than the diameter, so EF आपका और AB, this is also the chord, because every diameter is a chord but every chord is not a diameter, and the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, after this I will also send this question as an assignment. Okay, you will do in your fair copy. If you have any query regarding the topic, you will send your question through the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for listening and watching my video. Thank you, class.